Hi guys, good evening. If you are a beginner into the software industry and you have already finished your graduation or post graduation, like if you don't know what to do, which course is important, or what industry is expecting skills, so better follow these instructions. Nowadays, everyone is looking multi skills actually. You need to learn SQL, structured query language, all the topics like joins, views, set operators, analytical functions. Um, Completely you need to learn. Many people actually they are simply learning DDL, DML, DCL, DQL, joins, and they are feeling that they're good at SQL. No, it's not like that. Nowadays, ChatGPT is there. You need to learn fully, implement all the examples. Ask ChatGPT, it will give you many scenario based or like what is subquery, correlated subquery, top n analysis, how to delete duplicate rows. In different way, it will give all the answers along with the syntaxes, examples and all. So in-depth knowledge is really required, guys. Simply learning fundamentals is not good. At least two, three lines you have to say. If they ask decode case difference, you should be in a position to answer at least 3 points. Similar way, they may ask truncate, delete, differences, like that. So now that is about SQL. If you know SQL, slowly you can learn Oracle applications or Oracle Fusion or Oracle PLSQL or like SQL is database. It's hard actually. Everyone is expecting like you will have a number of opportunities. And in the same way, Python. Python also you need to have an idea. Nowadays, learning Python is not a big deal. If you spend daily 4 5 hours, 2 weeks is enough. If you are good, if you are average, it may take double time. If you learn Python, people will prefer you into web designing or any other cloud related like AWS, data engineer, DevOps side, and or web designing like as I mentioned, React, like mobile apps. Python is very good actually. It is easily, understandable, interactive. Like nowadays, school children also learning Python. Learning Python is not a big deal, even though it has a script. But many people are using Python, in all data engineer, data science, data analysts, everywhere, like they're using Python. And some people, many companies, they're asking Java. Java is evergreen. So Java also you need to focus. Like core Java is enough. Later, if really project is on Java side, you can learn advanced Java. Like there are many other topics. Compared to Java, again, SQL and Python is easy. Anyone can understand, even though you're from non-IT background. So still, if you have any questions, you can just shoot out all the questions in the description. I'll try to answer for every question tomorrow onwards. This is just a beginning video. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening. And if you want SQL, the videos as well as frequently asked questions and answers, I'm giving in the description. You can download. These are all freely downloadable resources. You can go through all the best. If you have any questions also, you can ask me in the description. Thank you.